All right, our first word that we're going to talk about is an adaptation. So, an adaptation is anything that an animal or a plant has to help it survive. Now, it may not have always had these things, but this animal over time, long periods of times, the species of animals has learned how to do something or has acquired something that helps them survive. So, for example, looking at this beautiful giraffe in the STEM room, it's got a very, very, very long neck. Well, what do you think that's for? Well, it's to get the top of the trees and eat those leaves that are on top. So that way, if anything ever happened closer to their feet, like bushes burned down or something like that, well, they got a long neck that they can reach up to the top. And also, you can't see it in here, but they have a really, really long tongue. It's 18 inches. That's like a foot and a half tongue. And that's so that way it can get those leaves far back. And they even say that it's kind of darker, their tongue, because they're eating a lot and they're closer to the sun. And so it's kind of like sunblock, like it will help them, their tongue, so that way it won't get burned. So remember, adaptations are anything that help an animal survive. We have adaptations. We are very lucky enough that we have two legs that we can walk around on and move around on. But we have things to help us hear and help us see. So again, an adaptation, anything to help us survive, a strength to help us survive.